Are you ready for task 3? So you should have a fast food tab and a weather tab. And now we're going to click the add sheet button and it's going to create a new tab. And we're going to name that tab population. Okay, to set up this spreadsheet in cell A1, you're going to have the word location again. And in cell B1, the word population. So I want you to choose 10 states in the United States. And I want you to do a Google search for the population of the state. All you should have to do, give you an example, open the new tab and you type the word look, it already popped up. Population, California. Bam, that could be our first one. We can all do California. Okay, so it says 38.8 million. Okay, so we need to change that into a number format because it is condensed. So location, California, 38.8. How would we write that as a number? 38,800,000. Does that look good? That does not look good. What are we missing? What should we add to this? Let's think about this for a minute. I think it needs some commas. Okay, so where are we going to go for commas? How about the word number? So if I go here on the menu bar here, we're going to click on number. Look, it gave us commas. Uh-oh, it gave us decimals. We don't need decimals. Get rid of those decimals. Decrease, decrease. We need no decimals, but we want commas. That looks wonderful. Okay, I'm going to leave you to come up with 9 more states within the United States and to put in their population, and please convert it into an actual number. Don't condense the number. We're going to need that when we calculate our formula. So I'm going to pause and we'll come back when we'll have all the information filled out. So here I am. I have my 10 locations, specifically 10 states within the United States and their population. Uh-oh, what did I forget to do? Don't forget, go to number to get those commas and then decrease the decimal places. We don't need any decimal places. So now we have nice commas. Looks good. Okay, we're going to calculate the average. So I'm going to put the word average here. Now I want to know on average how many people are in each state. So I'm going to click where I want the answer. I'm going to go to that function button and this time I'm going to choose the word average. If I click on that, you'll see the word average. And then you have your left parenthesis and you're going to take your mouse and you're going to select the cells you want to find the average of. So as you know, an average adds everything up and divides by how many there are. So this would add all these cells and then divide by the number of cells, which is 10. So on average of these 10 states that were selected, there's a population of 9.4 million people per state. That's a lot. Okay, last step, I want you to format it. So I want you to change a font. If you want to change a font color, for this one, I want you to add a border, add fills. We already formatted for commas and just customize it and come back and we'll check in and see if we're done. All right, so I've changed the font, changed the size of the heading, readjusted the width of the columns. I changed the font of the data, and I also set the average apart from the rest. Yes, my color choices are not great. Yours can be much better than mine. Customize it, and I also added a border. If you see the little dotted border, yellow, and I think this task is done. So the formulas we've covered are sum, max, min, and average. Let me know if you have any questions.